What's going on, guys? Alex here at Reject Rides. Today we're going to be working on this brand new GMC AT4. We're going to be doing a leveling kit on it. I believe it's a 2-inch leveling kit. So get started on it here in a little bit. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to loosen this nut on top, the one for the spindle from the upper control arm. We're going to loosen that one up. Then after you put a jack on the bottom of the spindle, you're going to loosen up this one. This is the one for the strut. And then after that, we'll lower it down, and then it has three nuts up here on top. Loosen those up and they should come out. So let me try to do that right quick. Okay, so this one right here, that one's actually a 3/4, and all you're gonna do is loosen it up until you don't see no more threads right here, and that should give us enough space. All right, so I took it. I mean, you can still feel the threads right here when you put your finger. And then all you do is just hit it right here on top, and the ball joint will come out. So it's already out. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the nut for that bolt for the strut, and I believe it's welded on the opposite side, so you don't have to hold it. Yeah, I think that's welded. Okay, so the bolt that goes right here, that's actually a 7/8, and just put it to the side. Now it's time to take off the top ones. Let me see what size that is. All right, so these are actually 3/4, and the one on the back, it has 3. The one on the back, you got to get one of these small wrenches to get to it. All right, so now you got to loosen up this the sway bar bolt, just so whenever you push down, this will be free. You can actually take that off. I think that one's this one is actually a 5/8, and then you got to hold it on the bottom side. Make sure we take these bushings off just to put them back the way it is right now, so you won't forget how it goes. I mean, you can't really mess it up. All right, so you got to loosen up the sway bar right here, these little bolts right here on both sides, and then take the bushings from the sway bar on the opposite side, and then release your tie rod from here. This is actually a 3/4 as well, and after that, this thing should just fall out. Now you can just lift it back up, put the upper control arm, just barely start it so you can release the pressure. put no pressure on your brake line or anything. And all we're waiting on right now is the leveling kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the other side as well. Alright, so once you put the spacer on there, just put it back the way it was on the frame. And then you got to put the bottom bolt in. So I got to tighten the top ones up, and we're good to go. Como que me está gustando la troquita esta. Ahí va la abuela. Looks pretty good with a 2-inch leveling kit. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.